This is the best day ever. Totally so cozy and warm. And this tea is perfect.
I knew you'd love it.
Let's stay here forever. It's so peaceful here. The tea is perfect. These flowers smell so nice. I could stay here all day. The rain makes everything feel so still.
Yeah, but it's kind of nice in here.
I know. It's cozy.
This is so much fun.
It really is.
We're almost done.
These gifts are getting a bit wet. Almost done. Let's keep them dry. I'll adjust them inside. Perfect. They look so pretty. Ready to go. Hi everyone, we brought some things for you. We hope you like them. This is for the play area.
Wow, thank you!
Here, try this one.
Thank you, it's pretty.
Do you like the car?
Vroom!
Everyone's having fun. Wow, look at this! Cool, what's in the other box?
I think there's candy in this one. Can I see?
This new plush is so soft.
The train tracks fit perfectly. Want some of these snacks?
They look so happy. It's a peaceful day. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!
Take care, you two.
We will!
See you soon.
Bye!
Oh, look at these.
Yeah, and these drinks look good.
This is nice, isn't it?